Alright, hi everyone. I'm just going to go over again how to combine like terms for anyone who struggled with the lesson or just needs to rewatch it or missed part of it. So combining like terms, the word combine means to add. And like terms are terms that have the same variable or just numbers are considered like terms too. So we can only combine numbers if they have the same variable raised to the same power. I'm not really going to talk about powers much, but good to know anyway. So example, so we write each expression in simplest form. That's what the directions for that mean combine like terms. So the best way to do this is to split up each term with the sign in front. So always start with the last term, but every term needs a sign. So from here, I determine which terms are like, and to do that, you have to look at the variables. So 5x and 10x are considered like terms because they both have x. So the word combine means to add, so we add those together. 5x plus 10x is 15x. The 2y we can't do anything with because there's no other y, so we just write plus 2y, and that is a simplified expression. Next one, again, split the terms up from the last term with the sign in front. From here, we have 8xy and 3xy that are considered like terms, and then 9y and negative 10y. So 8xy plus 3xy gives us 11xy, and then 9y plus negative 10y gives us negative 1y, or minus 1y is how we would write it to finish our expression. The last one, we have invisible math, which just means that we have variables in front, we have numbers in front of our variables. We have ones in front of our single variables. Can't even say that. So from there we have 2y and 1y, and then negative 2x and 1x are two sets of like terms. Combine 2y plus 1y gives us 3y, and then negative 2x plus 1x gives us negative 1x, so we'd write minus 1x from there. All right, next page we have some practice. And again, we split up each expression from the last term and add ones if you need to. So from here we have 3a and 2a because they both have a's. We can combine them. So we have 5a and then minus 6. You just bring that down, 5a minus 6. The next one, 2h and negative 2h. This one's an interesting one because 2h plus negative 2h actually just gives you 0, because 2 plus negative 2 is 0h, and anything times 0 is just 0. So we don't even include them. They kind of just go away. And then we have 4 plus negative 8, which is negative 4. So answer is just negative 4 there. And the last one, these are both like terms. 1b minus 3b or 1b plus negative 3b should give you negative 2b. The last one here, it says write an expression in simplest form for the perimeter of the figure. Perimeter means add up all the sides. So if we just add up all the sides, we have 3a minus 1 plus 2a plus 3, and then plus a, add up sides. So from there, you can split up your terms. Should probably use a different color. So 3a, 2a, and a, or 1a, are all like terms, so we combine them. 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6a, and then negative 1 and 3, negative 1 plus 3 is positive 2, so we'd write plus 2. And the last slide. So combining 4b plus 7b gives you 11b plus 5. The next one, we have, actually these last three terms can all be combined. So 6 plus 7, 6 plus 1 gives you 7, 7 plus negative 3 gives you 4t, and then plus the 8. Here we have negative 5x and negative 1x gives you negative 6x, and then 4 plus negative 1 is positive 3. The last one's another interesting one. Actually, everything just cancels out because negative 2 plus 2 just gives us 0, and y minus y, or y plus negative y, gives us 0. So our answer is 0. Next one, combine your c's, and then negative 3d and positive 1d. So 5c plus negative 12c is negative 7c, and then negative 3d plus 1d is minus 2d. And the last one, that's negative 1y plus negative 16y is negative 17y, And then 9z plus negative 25z is negative 16z. All right, so it probably seems like I'm going fast because the bell's gonna ring and I have a class coming in. So just watch it again if I'm going too fast. That's why I'm recording this video. So just rewatch, watch, and pause, try them on your own, that type of thing. All right, see you later.